I am a faithful customer over here. If you want good service, come see Al. If Al's not here, his right-hand man, Lucas, is always available. Great guys to deal with, honest guys, reputable guys. I have followed them from Englewood to Bergen to here in Madison for the last 8 years.
Thanks, Madison Jaguar, for all you do for the Jaguar Touring Club. You do wonderful service for us. You do these beautiful events for us. Take care of my cars. I couldn't be happier. Thanks so much.
My name is Shahid Aziz, and I'm a customer here at Madison Jaguar. I bought a F-Type convertible from Madison about a little less than a year ago. Very, very pleased with everything and everyone at Madison, and made my experience a real pleasure. And so I brought my son Aiden here today to check out the F-Type Coupe, which I have to say I'm very jealous of. I wish I had an opportunity to buy that a year ago, because it's a stunning, stunning car.
Hi y'all, my name is Peter. I'm here at Madison Jaguar, one of my favorite Jaguar dealers in Madison, New Jersey. And I'm here to view the brand new F-Type Coupe R. This is a R. It's a 2015. I'm really, really digging the car all the way around. I want this car.
I think this car is phenomenal. The line is sleek, even though, when you think about a sports car, you expect it to be sleek, but this goes beyond that. If you take a look at the curves and the wheels, I know, like, even, my teenagers, when they looked at it, it's like they were just gravitating towards the wheels and the size of them. This is one of the better places to be, especially when it comes down to buying a Jaguar. I know that I've tried several dealers, but I've always returned back to Madison Jaguar simply because of the service that you get here. So it's not just about picking up a great car, it's about, having the experience, the customer relationship. And I think that also makes the ownership of the vehicle a worthwhile experience.